Hello, welcome back to Talks Without a Map, where we wander through life's most unexpected, at times wild terrains with no GPS, just vibes. I'm Ridhima.
And I'm Rohan. And welcome back to this GPS over here, which is gonna go through some wildlife. Absolutely. Why wildlife, Ridhima? What's the topic today that we have
Um,
chosen?
because we are talking about jungle safaris because I have not done many of them,
Mm-hmm.
but yes, I intend to do more in coming times. So I said, why not that? What
Mm-hmm.
fascinates you? Rohan, tell me, are you excited about jungle safaris?
Oh, completely. I can't wait to dive into world of jungle safaris, wild animal encounters, and those dusty jeep trails that test
I
your
know.
spine and spirit. Absolutely.
I have seen many videos, but haven't gone for such jungle safaris. I mean, I have been to some, but not many.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, but I even same here, like not like many of those, but I feel like I am lucky that I have experienced a few jungles and I
Mm-hmm.
mean zoos. Okay, experiencing a zoo is one thing, but then experiencing a jungle, that's something else. Although Africa is still there on my list,
Hmm.
I haven't
Same here.
I haven't been to any of those
Yeah.
safaris or jungles in Africa. Although I do want to, but in India I've been to a few places like Jim Corbett Park.
Uh-huh.
There is one in Madhya Pradesh.
Kanha.
No, Kanha, my parents have been there
Okay.
and they say it's lovely.
Okay.
The one I had been to in Madhya Pradesh
Hmm.
was Bandhavgarh.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. And I have been to Kabini, which comes in Karnataka, the tip of
Near
Karnataka.
Uti,
It's
right?
near, like it's in that same
Yeah.
belt.
Base. I think.
Yeah,
Of,
yeah.
yeah.
I have been there. I have been to any else. I want to go to Tado Bado.
Uh-huh.
Lots of other places. And what
Yeah.
about you? Which ones have you been to?
I have been to Madhumalai, then I have experienced, it's a safari kind of experience in
Mm-hmm.
Bangkok.
Okay.
Okay, and I loved it. Though they call it zoo, but there you are in a jeep and the
Mm-hmm.
animals are in open.
Oh,
So it's
right,
kind
right.
of a safari, right?
Correct.
And I have been to elephant safari in Thailand again.
Uh-huh.
In Kerala also have been to elephant safari, so that
Okay.
was fun.
Uh-huh.
And where else? Yeah, I think I've done very few jungle safaris.
Yeah.
Yeah, and once in Kurg.
Coorg. Okay.
Yeah,
How
yeah.
was that?
It was good, but I couldn't see many animals because it was quite dry, and we just saw some elephants and bisons. That's it, and
Okay.
some deers.
Okay.
Yeah.
I have been to, when I was a kid, I'd been to this one in Hyderabad. I don't remember the name. I was too young. But that time I experienced the first time and ever, like in all
Mhm.
amongst all the safaris, that you are inside a cage. I mean,
Hmm.
the bus that takes you around is like a cage in itself, and
Yeah.
the wild animals are roaming
In
free.
Hyderabad.
In Hyderabad, it
Oh.
was nearby Hyderabad somewhere. My dad used to work there,
Uh-huh.
so we had taken a trip to Ramoji Film City and all those
Uh-huh.
places. But this, I particularly remember this ride where my dad was telling me, "Listen, now you are going to be inside the cage, okay?"
Okay.
It was fascinating. And my parents had been to Kana on their honeymoon,
Uh-huh.
and it was just them, the two of them, and the driver,
Mm-hmm.
the safari driver,
Okay.
and they were just going around and they couldn't find or spot any wild animal or any sight.
Mm-hmm.
And then came a young tiger.
Uh-huh.
He was. I think he was resting from far away. They could see that he was just resting.
Mm-hmm.
Once they went near him, he
Mhm.
was eating a small deer.
Okay.
Yeah,
My God.
and he just looked at these three. He just glanced at the three of them, and the driver was like, "अभी निकलना पड़ेगा. अभी
Oh.
ठहरने से कुछ नहीं होगा."
Uh-huh.
So that was their experience in Ghana. Once somewhere in Madhya Pradesh, my parents had gone later. I think I was in the 8th or 9th grade, and they had witnessed the droplets of tiger. Droppings, we say, right? The
Oh,
droppings
okay.
of a
Droppings,
tiger.
droppings,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah, yeah.
Mhm.
And it was quite fresh. And my mom, being the inquisitive person that she's like, थोड़ा आगे चल के देखते हैं ना क्या है and all that. My dad is like, do you even understand? You have a 14-year-old boy waiting for us back home, and that time there were no cell phones and stuff like that.
Yeah.
So those were their thrilling experiences. Now I want to have such kind of experiences. So we'll come back to what our experiences were. I just want to ask you, why do you think that wildlife is such an exciting thing?
See, because you're in nature, right? And you can experience the raw nature.
Mm-hmm.
So I feel that we should, like, because here we are staying in concrete jungle.
Correct.
So I want to experience that life as
Yeah,
well.
yeah.
I mean, I would like to stay in a tree house.
Oh my god!
Yeah,
You
yeah,
just
yeah.
stole my this thing, like tree houses. I mean, I have always heard about tree houses. I've seen them in animated films.
Yeah.
And apparently there are tree houses.
Yes, yes, yes.
In
there
real.
are quite, yeah.
Many of them. So imagine just staying in a tree house up there
Yes.
and witnessing what's going on.
And
below.
roaring of wild
animals,
Yeah, it
howling
was so much
and this
fun.
and that. It's
Yeah.
gonna be fun. So what excites me most about wildlife or jungle safaris and jungles basically is that it's pin drop silent
Yeah.
out there. There's
Yeah.
pin drop silence out there, but yet you can feel the vibrations.
Yes, yes, yes. Arey, I forgot to tell you, recently I had gone to one jungle safari in Karnataka just 2-3 years ago.
Okay.
And I forgot the name of the jungle stay there. And it was so amazing. It was a gift from my brother and his wife.
Oh, okay.
So they
Gift as in the
gift-
trip?
Yeah, that trip was
Okay.
a gift from my brother and his wife.
Uh-huh.
And they took me and my daughter Ashnika.
Mm-hmm.
And it was such an amazing experience. Like there was a kind of river in that we experienced the
Wow.
coracle ride. Coracle
Wow.
is like, what you call the basket
Like a
kind of.
basket. Yeah.
So it's coracle, and then after a point, like after some time, he's saying "Ki there are crocodiles in this
Arre
river,"
baap re.
and he told us to be very quiet, and he showed us some birds and all. I saw an owl, an owlet also.
Arre wah.
Wow.
Okay.
And many other species of birds, because my sister-in-law, she is into birding.
Birding?
Birding,
Okay,
yeah. So
okay.
she has lot of
Knowledge and-
knowledge
yeah,
about
yeah.
So she was showing us this bird, that bird, and I'd never seen those species before. And then they took us for a jungle safari. But we couldn't spot many animals, but yeah, as bisons and deers and all. But this was like, this coracle ride was damn exciting.
Where was this, you said?
In Karnataka.
In Karnataka.
Yeah. And, after we finished our coracle ride, I saw a crocodile
Arre.
resting on the other side of the river bank.
On the bank. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. And I said, my God, हम लोग ने काफी adventurous coracle ride.
But you know that, have you heard of Beda Ghat?
Yeah, I have.
So although not,
It's in Madhya Pradesh.
it's in
right?
Madhya Pradesh, so not essentially a jungle safari
Uh-huh.
topic here, but then I have been to Beda Ghat. This was when I visited Bandhavgarh
Uh-huh.
in that trip itself, and Beda Ghat apparently has lots of crocodiles in that river.
Yeah, even in Chiploon.
Yeah?
Yeah, I have seen
Oh.
crocodiles resting under the tree.
Acha.
Yeah,
They just
Parshuram
stand
Nadi.
still this way, huh? Yeah.
Yeah, in that you
Uh-huh.
have lot of crocodiles. It's known for that.
So speaking of that, what's your most memorable animal encounter?
अभी तक तो कुछ किया नहीं है, बट या आई हैव दैट ड्रीम कि हम लोग ऐसे जीप में जा रहे हैं एंड देन सामने से कोई एनिमल आता है और हम लोग जीप भगा के जा रहे हैं, लाइक दैट्स माय ड्रीम.
So I had spotted a tigress in Kabini,
Uh-huh.
and she was just walking past our jeep.
Oh,
Yeah,
wow.
and she was beautiful, regal.
Wow.
You know, you look at these animals and you're like, how beautiful
I know.
the creation of God
yes,
is.
yes.
Beautiful is short a
Yeah.
word, honestly, for
Yeah.
that. So that was, but my friend, so I unfortunately didn't encounter any animal at Corbett Park, not even a mouse when we had gone there, okay? But our family friends had visited just a year back.
Okay.
You know what she said? That where they were staying,
Uh-huh.
one fine day they were using the restroom of the restaurant.
Uh-huh.
They opened the door and there was a tiger
Oh,
in front,
wow.
out there,
Oh.
and it's apparently a common phenomenon out there.
Oh, then how
And
did they?
She shut the door immediately. Obviously, so they have some technique like how you can get out of that.
Oh.
I mean,
So
they
she
have
had
some
to
other
call
door.
the
I think
jungle officers or
I think
something.
there's like a landline out there, and that those zamane mein landlines the. This is
Okay.
2005 and
So
6 I'm talking
landlines in the washrooms.
in the washroom, so you have
Okay.
to let them know. Then they play some horn or I don't know something out there, and then that animal goes away.
Okay.
Just imagine you're coming out of the washroom and then you're opening the door and there is a tiger just looking in front of you. That was, I mean, but I want to experience that. I don't know why.
Yeah, yeah. It'll be fun, yeah,
yeah,
obviously.
yeah.
But I have seen the elephants walking and deers crossing the path in Uti.
Okay.
Like when you're going through that Madhumalai jungle, you can. That's a very common sight actually.
Like
Crossing the. I
yeah.
mean, deers are crossing the paths, or
Even the
elephants,
the flamingos,
flamingos. Yeah.
they have their migration.
Yeah, yeah.
So I'm sure most of these animals like zebras and nilgais,
Nilgai.
yeah. So they all have this phase of migration.
Migrate. Acha.
Yeah, and not just the birds.
Nilgai also,
Yeah,
I
yeah, yeah.
didn't
They
know. Okay.
literally walk miles and miles.
Acha.
They cross so many dangerous rivers which have crocodiles. That's what we see in National Geographic
Yeah,
on the
right,
channels,
right.
Like this is how the crocodiles get their food.
Right.
That's thanks to the migration actually.
Uh-huh.
So that there is a trip only to witness that. I guess it's in Tanzania.
Oh, okay.
It's just to witness the migration, how
Okay.
the nilgais and how the zebras and
Uh-huh.
other animals and what the crocodiles do
Okay.
and stuff like that. There's a trip only designed for that.
Okay.
So that's also something exciting. There are countries like Botswana, Namibia, if you've heard.
I haven't heard of this.
Wow.
country.
See, good we took this topic. I can tell
Yeah.
you these things. See, we just aware of South Africa
Yeah.
and Kenya and Tanzania having these
Masai
kind of
Mara.
Masai Mara is in
Yeah,
Kenya.
huh.
But there are countries like Namibia and Botswana which have equally great sightings and
Okay.
these kind of tours and jungle safaris. And I'm sure they're not that popular, but they are equally good.
Okay.
So my dream is once to, visit that belt of
Yeah,
Africa
yeah.
and have some sightings. Have you watched the film Gods Must Be Crazy?
No, I haven't.
Yeah, it's an old film. It's based somewhere in Namibia or Botswana.
Okay.
In that film, if you watch that film, you'll understand how day-to-day life is when you live near a jungle or a forest, or when you're stuck inside a forest. Like the
Oh.
characters in that, they live by eating an ostrich egg and stuff.
My God.
And
Acha.
an ostrich egg is so huge, you can 10 people can feast out of it. Apparently, it's so huge.
Okay.
Yeah.
Rohan, just while talking, I remembered one more encounter with, it's not encounter actually. We had gone to Bali, so there's this caged jeep, and उसके ऊपर lions and tigers आते हैं,
Huh.
and you have to feed them.
Feed them?
Yeah, but through the grill.
Huh.
Okay, because it's a caged one.
Huh.
So through the grill, you have to feed them. I found it little artificial though. Huh.
Of course.
I mean,
yeah,
I think they are instructed to come jump over the jeep and then
Yeah,
you have to
yeah.
feed. But that's a nice experience.
Then yeah, of course.
Of course, we paid a bomb for that. But
Otherwise,
and-
when are you going to experience
yeah,
that? Feeding of
exactly.
tiger.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you're only their
Yeah,
feed.
and we could feel their paws.
Huh?
My God, yeah. they
Achha,
are
pause.
so-
They don't
paws.
like directly grab it.
No,
through
I
the
mean
mouth.
they jump over the jeep, right?
हाँ.
And ऊपर से भी वो grill रहता है.
Huh.
So you can see their paws also, na?
Oh, right.
Yeah,
Oh, I got it.
yeah,
Wow.
yeah,
Wow.
yeah.
That's it. So you could touch
Yeah.
any paw?
Yeah, we could. But they had instructed not to do a lot of masti with them.
Of course. Yeah.
So
yeah.
we fed them and that's it.
Just yesterday, I met a lady who is into wildlife tourism.
Uh-huh.
No, I think both of us should talk to her about
Okay.
what more we could do when it comes to jungle safaris.
Oh.
There is so much to unfold actually, in this field and also in this tourism. To be honest, I personally feel. So why do you think that you haven't yet explored a lot of jungle safaris?
Maybe I have always traveled with my kids, and because they were kids, I didn't want them to get into any of the. I was trying to be a protective mother, probably.
Yeah.
That's the
Yeah.
only. But now that they are big, so I can venture out now.
Right.
Yeah.
With me, I was lucky that my parents always took me to different jungle safaris and zoos, etc. But we never went to Africa because we weren't much aware of the
Okay.
tourism out there. It was only when we met certain Indians who stay there and they started telling us that Masai Mara and these all places are exciting. In fact, Masai Mara is still known, but then there are so many other safaris that happen in Kenya, Tanzania, all these countries, which are even more worth
Yeah.
visiting.
Yeah.
So I guess that's the reason. And then by the time we started traveling abroad, it was predominantly Europe and America. So Africa wasn't ever on the list. But now I feel like धीरे धीरे वो भी करना चाहिए because jungle teaches you so many things.
Yeah.
The calmness, as I discussed,
True.
is invaluable. And I also feel like it's meditative and therapeutic.
Hmm.
Imagine having a small house, कांच का. I have this fantasy like
Amidst jungle. Yeah.
like कांच का ऐसा घर
हाँ.
which is transparent, and you sit inside that sipping your coffee or whatever, and there are animals just
Visiting,
around you,
yeah.
and then पत्ते ऐसे गिर रहे हैं,
हाँ.
and the animals while they're walking, the paws are
You
making
can,
some
yeah,
small sounds,
Sounds, yeah.
and all of that. Footsteps are heard, elephants are coming in, small baby elephants and this and that. So I have that kind of
Yeah.
you have any
And the natural orchestra.
oh my god,
around.
yeah, absolutely. And the tranquility, and at the same
Birds
time that kind of
chirping.
mystery
Yes.
that surrounds it. You have any such kind of desire when it comes to jungles?
Yeah. So I remember the name of that jungle resort. It's called Gully Bore.
Mhm.
I was telling you about that coracle ride.
Yeah,
Okay. So there are tents to stay. So we were relaxing in the afternoon in that tent, and suddenly इतने सारे monkeys आ गए ना, and they were playing on those tents, you know, and we were petrified. Like वो लोग वहाँ पे slide कर रहे हैं, आवाज निकाल रहे हैं. So but it was good fun, yeah.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
I think सबको सफारी एक बार तो करनी चाहिए.
Yes.
It's apparently they say that when you go to a jungle, you understand कि actually Earth क्या है, what the planet that we live on. You actually start understanding the beauty of Earth.
Yes.
Also, I like the fact that they are most of the jungles are protected.
Yeah.
You know, they're protected
Yes.
areas, and I remember this place we had been to in Uttarakhand on our way to Mussoorie. So that place is known for leeches, you know, leech.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
In
yeah,
Uttarakhand there are
Yeah.
so many.
So we had to wear those gumboots kind of thing,
Yeah.
but that was just more like a trail inside the
Okay.
jungle,
Okay.
and the guide said that you might spot someone, you never know.
Hmm.
But it was an amazing walk
Okay.
throughout, and
Uh-huh.
I remember my dad had recorded an audio also out there. It was so silent.
Oh.
But that was one great experience, walking, like trailing around, and those gumboots, and great pictures you can click, great view, and just nature is just so beautiful.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know, and you go to tourist places like these, and it's gonna be all full of kachra
Yeah.
and all of that. So that's what I don't like. But I appreciate the fact that most of the jungles are protected,
Yes.
and they are they come under the cantonment area also most of the time that way. Speaking of safaris, do you think night safaris are exciting?
Oh yes.
Have you been to one?
Yes, yes. I have
I've never been
in
because-
Singapore. I have been.
But Singapore, they say it's more like it's like they just send over animals at that particular
Yeah,
time.
yeah,
Is it
yeah.
that way?
I think so. I'm not sure. Yeah. But I have been in Singapore and of course in Karnataka near Ooty. So that in Madhumalai, that time also we had gone for a night safari. It's good fun.
Yeah. But
Yeah,
what
yeah.
what difference it has?
Like you know, there's that थोड़ा सा डर जाते हैं because of the
हाँ,
सन्नाटा
हाँ, हाँ, हाँ.
and we can't talk at all and वहाँ पे ऐसे कुछ ऐसे थोड़ी सी भी ऐसी आवाज़ आ गई तो हम लोग देखने लगते हैं कि क्या है. Yeah, sometimes it's just a deer or just a bison.
Oh,
Yeah, I
but-
haven't spotted any tigers and वैसा कुछ मैंने spot नहीं किया अभी तक.
In neither of your
No.
safaris. Oh.
And another thing, you know, I don't like to go for safaris in summers. And I think summers में ज़्यादा spotting होती है, right? Yeah, animals because
of
they
course.
come to
Yeah,
drink
they
water
come to
and
drink
all.
water, yeah.
So I mean, I can't tolerate heat. So that's one more reason why I haven't been to the safaris in summers. So I can't. Rohan, what I feel, you know, we are staying in this concrete jungles. So why not make an attempt to visit at least once a year to any native places or any jungles and experience this beauty?
I agree. I couldn't agree
Yeah.
more. As I said, because when we experience a jungle or nature, it is the true face of earth that we witness.
True.
It's meditative, as I said. Your mind just gets collected. You know, एक हो जाता है जो यहाँ पे पूरा स्कैटर हो जाता है ना माइंड कॉन्क्रीट जंगल में. तो वहाँ जाने के बाद आपको लगता है कि आपको विश्वास नेचर पे है ना वो और ज़्यादा बढ़ जाता है.
बढ़ जाता है, yeah.
That's way. So I
Yeah.
feel like it's a great
Yeah.
experience, and most
Even
of
the
us.
small trails in the jungle, like no need to go for any jungle safaris
Yeah,
or
yeah,
something.
yeah.
Like गांव में जाके just चलो
Yeah.
जंगल में. Even
Even
that
our
could be so
Sanjay
beautiful.
Gandhi National Park.
Yeah.
You can definitely do that.
Yeah.
Okay, so we are going to play a small quiz. I don't know if it's a quiz or it's just more like a rapid fire
Rapid fire.
thing. Like so, like we just see what our preferences are. So,
Okay.
let's play Dream Safari. Okay.
Okay.
Location, time, animal, and who you would go with. So let's start with location first.
Location, Masai Mara is on my list.
Okay.
Yeah.
What time you would like to go?
In
Time as in not
winters.
like 24 hour wala
Winters,
time.
winters,
Yeah, yeah.
winters.
Okay. And what animal you would like to spot there?
Cheetah.
Areva. Okay. And whom you would like to go with?
I would like to go solo.
And you have to pet those animals there
Yes,
completely.
yes,
Okay,
yes.
okay. For me, I think Tanzania or Namibia or Botswana, and I would like to visit Pench in India.
Okay.
Lots of places I have on my mind. I would love to go in October for some reason. I don't know why.
Hmm.
Early morning ones.
Huh.
Yeah. Early morning or late night.
Oh.
It has to be that way, okay? And I would like to witness many animals at one time, which is a little
Acha.
rare sight.
Yeah.
But like I would like to witness an elephant on one with a small baby.
Oh.
Maybe a tiger, because they say that sometimes, many a times rather, there's a sight that no one is harming anyone. It's only when the wild animals are hungry that they go and hunt. Otherwise, they all stay peacefully. You know,
Yes.
there's a rule of the jungle. So I would like to witness that. Maybe,
Okay.
you know, some exotic birds,
Oh yeah.
and yeah, that way I would like to definitely experience.
Have
and
you ever given bath to an elephant or elephant baby?
No,
I have done that.
no. Oh
And
yeah.
it's good fun. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I've
Yeah.
done that
They
in
like
Krabi,
animals.
yeah.
I mean, they like humans.
Yeah.
And
And even
they
in
like-
Kerala, you can do that.
even in Kerala, even Coorg, my parents have
Yeah.
experienced that. And I would like to go with maybe with you only.
Oh, let's go. Let's go.
Why too? Yeah.
Yeah.
Now, would you like a luxury lodge or a rugged tent?
Rugged tent.
Same here.
Yeah.
But I would like it more like कांच का बना
अच्छा
हुआ,
कैनवस का
transparent.
कैनवस में और मजा
But
आता है
transparent it has to be. And anyway, okay. Night safari or river safari?
रिवर सफारी
Wow. For me, it's both.
yeah
Okay, so that's about it. Let us
Okay.
know, how did you like this episode? Was it really wild? Just let us know. Exciting, exotic, because this is definitely one of the topics that we were looking forward to. It's rarely spoken about, it's rarely discussed about, and yet everyone loves to experience this. So let us know how you found it, and whom would you like to spot, and where would you like to visit, in which jungle, etc. Let us know.
DM us. Thank you.